trying to start the bike. Yeah, I want you to get on this. I'm trying to go up that hill.
Clayton County, baby. Clayton County, baby. Clayton County, baby. Clayton County, Clayton County, baby. Clayton County, baby.
About to go pick this U-Haul up, you know, my babies is letting it sleep. I got these folks up out the bed early, y'all. So I could go get a damn U-Haul to take my son on the nightlife adventure today, you know what I'm saying? That's you, bro. Be blessed.
2 hours later.
Yeah. So we got the whiskey. She done drive me out to the U-Haul. So you see him over there in the cut, I'm good. So we finna separate, part our ways. I finna go over and get this new Hummer motherfucker. I see y'all tomorrow, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, not today. Yeah. So we about to get it. We about to get it cranked up, man. See what's going on. I got the U-Haul motherfucker, the 1995, you know, cheap one, trying to stay in line. Yeah, man, what the hell we talking about in him?
Paper no printer. Rich nigga hop out of sprinter. I gotta plug out in Denver. I gotta make him remember. Shot a got Zaza out of gas. 2700 a bag. Turn the shit up on their head. Ain't got no paper, no cash. Wait. Pay me that refund.
Cook, you blowing bubbles?
Up in the focus. Now we in foreign and shit. Most of these bitches be roguish. Most of these niggas be bogus. 24 hours a day. Only truck that's to be open. Obama keep running their rents. Every shit for the money. These niggas do what they can. I steady do what I want. Money keep running it up. They hate me, I don't give a fuck. Get rich as a beat.
Oh, it's a rainbow sign.
Baby, I'm gonna give you the link.
Talk about the trap in a minute. I got that money, I spend it. Smoking, I don't know my limits. I got a thing for these women. She think I'm full too many, but it's a minute the truth. I got a thing for this money. I got a thing for the blue. Couple hundreds in a suitcase. Being frank, that's a blue face. Being frank.
This man drinking the tea. As you can see, we got the truck over there. It's about that time, y'all. Shout out to GoPro book bag.
It's about that time. It's about that
Let's see, we got the bikes loaded up. Got the bikes loaded up. They in the truck.
Bad boys.
So yeah, man. To the gas station, and we finna hit these trails. You know what I'm saying? See this boy can ride.
We go.
In the real trails.
To the gas station, we go.
Hmm.
I give you a hot car.
Yeah, you can.
Daddy, I get in with you.
Give me a hug and kiss. We'll be back.
Wait, I get in with you. With you, Daddy.
Daddy be back.
Give me a hug.
Daddy be back.
Yeah.
No, y'all see y'all in a minute.
I want to get Donnie a hug.
Donnie too far. He love you. We'll be back.
Love you.
Don't cry when your bike comes. You coming? All right. Okay? Gotta get that boy a bike, man. Leaving my boy out the pack like this. But the big kid said he ready. The big boy said he ready. The bike's back there. I hope they don't fall. I ain't never strapped my ish in a. Oh! Just kidding. They got it. He got scared. Oh, your bike fell. Told that man he went over there and tried to grab him the new Sprite. I said, bro, come on now. We ain't drinking. We drinking water, Gatorade, Powerade, anything like that. Body armor. We ain't doing no soda, man. Not when you're on your bike, dog. Right here, man. Shout out to artists, bro. Tell them who your boy is. What you got going?
Adrian, follow him, Lee Adrian. It's official.
Okay then, you see what, yeah, but today, you know, we vlogging my son. He about to hit the trail for the first time.
Shit.
He coming out the backyard and trying to go with the big dog today. So, yeah, we just, you know, gonna let him fall. Let him hit that ground one time, see what they really like over there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we'll be back over here. You gonna see him come back filthy.
Yeah, man.
No.
Yeah, we gonna see.
I'm gonna come back clean.
We gonna see. Go ahead and pop that back for me. So we can get this good gas in here. You already know we're rocking with the 93, man. Yeah, with the big boy tank. There you go. Big boy tanking. Yes, sirski. Gotta get your gas. Boy, throwing that 93 up in there. Oh, hit me with the splash.
My gas.
Press that button. Boy. That's that, Jack. There you go. You see this mud? You might fall. You might fall, but it's gonna be okay. Let me see. Turn around and go back to the track. Alright, so this time I'm gonna okay. We got that dick. Now when I get this shit rolling, boy.
Yeah.
Well, we get out the hard part. There you go, pick it up. Pick it up, you got it. I gotta take this real back like today. Alright. Here you go, hold on, buddy. You hurt?
No?
Your leg got smashed?
Yeah.
Right on the rock. Huh? You're real today. It's alright. It's alright, bro. With that, you can just push it up there. Right here is easy. You ain't gonna be getting tugged that much.
Ouch. Shoot.
Right?
Yeah.
Figured I was gonna have one on this bump. Alright. He gonna cut off him, got 2%. So y'all see what happened, man. My boy done fouled out that plug. Woo, we going through here. See, I had to tow him up out of there. I done told him, he done failed 3 times. But yeah, we gonna get it up to here, y'all. He came out here, got some bike life. Now he know he gotta come out here. I told him get them tall socks on. Got the boots on, but you know, I'm out here. Sneak it up today, but I ain't going crazy. This is his first time. But he gonna survive. He gonna get back on and come back after we fix that tank and put this spark plug in there.
Today?
Yeah, I'm gonna start fixing it. All right, be careful now. Don't let the bike push you down. You see how I'm on this side of the bike? You probably want to be on this side. It feel better on you than that side. So this is what happens when. So that's one battery dead. What have been riding that bike cable? What? The ankle hurt? The ankle hurt? Huh? Yeah, man. So we gotta walk it. So let's go ahead and let's get it on up there. Yeah, it's all right, buddy. Be like this sometimes. All right, you get that trail so you can walk in the thick mud. Ooh, Gigi gonna be mad at you. Damn, ooh.
Got him!
I'm about to buy you some new ones. Look at this, y'all. Hey, grandma done brought him them Timbs. I gotta go straight to the store because she gonna kick my ass. Whew. I'm so goddamn tired, y'all.
Bruh.
Yeah, I gotta stretch that leg. Bring that boy here with the big dog today. Uh-oh. You alright? You alright? Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. Just keep it. Yeah, all right, we good. We made it. You good. Huh? It ain't over though. We just gonna fix all this shit up. And you're coming back out here when we get it. Put you on ride with me and really run through there how I run through there with me. All right, I got it. That boy hurt. He said, I'm done. Bike life, baby. Gotta protect them ankles, though. Yeah, you get your little gas again. Somebody took a little cut to them ankles. That's why you gotta protect. This spot right here is the most crucial spot on the bike. You see what's down here? Your shifter, your peg. You get your feet caught off between that. That's why I told you to put the double socks on. See me? Even though I got these thin pants on, you see that? 1, 2. I got 3 pair on. So if I hit right there, at least I got a little. You know what I'm saying? Man, I'm on the way, bro. Say that, man. It's up. Okay, yeah. Pick it up. Turn right away, man. They do it. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. They do it. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. I'm throwing cash up, picking it up off the floor tonight. I got 'em mad now. I'm right in the bit with the bottles of Sprite. Pick it up, 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 pick it up. I'm throwing cash up, she picking it up off the floor tonight. I got 'em mad now. I'm right in the bit with the bottles of Sprite.